How to enable safe search on your Google Chrome. So guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn about, so I'm going to show in my window, but this is the same process for your device, like mobile device. If you're using iOS or Android phone, the process is same. So let's start with the video, guys. Okay, so let me open my Chrome browser. So okay guys, just open your Chrome browser on your window and mobile. So first thing, we need to check in window or your Chrome browser for your Android or your phone device. You need to check the update on your Play Store or your app provider. So in window you need to check your update. Just click on this three dot option, go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome and here check. Here you have to check if your Chrome browser up to date or not. So in my case it is not up to date, so it is start updating automatically. After update, here I will see the one option that say the relaunch. Then I need to relaunch here, so let it complete first. Yeah, it is complete now, so I need to just relaunch it. Just need to click on it. Yeah, now I have updated version. So now just open new window, go to three dot option, go to the settings. In your mobile also you have to go in settings, and from here you have to find out the safe search. So in window you can go to the privacy and security and just scroll down and go to the site setting. Under the site setting, sorry, I need to just come back, and don't go to the site setting, click on security, and here you can see there is a safe browsing option. Here you can enhance the protection. The first option is the enhanced protection. It will be protect your browser or computer more safely. If you're using the standard protection, it will be protect your your browser some middle security here, and this is the no protection if you want. So you can enable these two option. You can select these two option as per requirement. So I suggest you can select enhanced protection. And if you don't find this option in your mobile device, so just search in setting, just type safe search here and just hit the enter. Okay, safe search or safe only, then you can find the safe browsing, or you can type the safe browsing here. So this option come here, you can directly go there and you can enable this safe search. So there is a option, you can read this all details to know more about this safe browsing in Chrome browser. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.